Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah, my dear students and dear viewers. Welcome to everybody in my online class. I am Mohammad Mohammed Islam, Assistant Teacher Motihara BL High School, Motihara Nawabganj, Dinaspur. Dear students, hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well by His mercy. Dear learners, you know that online classes are running on at Motihara BL High School. In its continuation, I have come today to take a class of English second paper for class 9-10. Dear students, first I would like to introduce the lesson. Look at the whiteboard. Proof. Demonstrate the truth. Improve. Make better. Or prosper. Improvement. Development or promotion. Dear students, look at the whiteboard attentively. What is this? It's proof. Proof means demonstrate the truth or make sure the truthfulness of anything. Improve, make better or prosper. Here improvement means development or promotion. Here prove is root word. Prove is root word. If we add im, I am before proof, it changes its meaning. That is make better or prosper. Again, if we add meant after proof, improve, it also changes its meaning, its development or promotion, which is quite separate of the meaning proof. So, do you know what is aim or meant refers here? Try to guess. Yes, these are called suffix or prefix. So, my dear students, our today's lesson is suffix and prefix. Today we will learn about suffix and prefixes. Dear students, now I am going to show the learning outcomes of today's lesson. After completing this lesson, you will be able to know the definition of suffix and prefixes, differ suffix and prefix, use suffix and prefixes in the sentences. Dear students, you know that suffix and prefix plays an important role for you because the exam has 5 marks for you from here. So now you guess how it is important for you. Dear students, let's know what is prefix. Prefix is a letter or letters added before any word and change its meaning is called prefix. Look at the whiteboard. Come. Here come is a word. If we add letter or letters before the word come, suppose we add B, it became become. The meaning of come and become is different. So we can say BE is here prefix. It changes the meaning of the word come. So we came to learn that prefix add before any word to change its meaning. Another example, hold. Do you know what is the meaning of the word hold? Hold means cash. If we add letters before hold, what will be it? Behold. It means look at or stare. So here B is prefix and it says the meaning of the word hold. Clear, my dear students? Likewise, now we'll learn which letter or letters are used as prefix. B, D, M, M, N, etc. These letters are used as prefixes. Let's see some example. Fame. If we add D before it, defame. Body, embody. Case, in case. Here D is added before fame and it became defame. M, body, embody, case, in case. These words or letters are called prefixes and it changes the meaning of the root word. Suffixes. prefixes. Dear students, hope you have understood what is prefixes. Now we'll learn what is suffix. Letter or letters added after any word and change its form is called suffix. Such as drive. If we add r after drive, it became driver. Here r is added after drive and it changes its form. Here drive is verb and driver is noun. We came to know that this suffix changed its form. It turned a part of speech to another. So r is here suffix. Likewise, some of the suffix are or, ear, si1 son, ti1, able, etc. These are the sum of the letters that are used as suffixes. Let's see some example. Comfort. Comfort, if we add able after the word comfort, it will be comfortable. Comfortable. Here able is added after comfort and change its parts of speech. Manage, manager. Consume, consumption. Sorry. Conclude, conclusion. Discuss, discussion. These are some examples of suffixes. Dear students, from this discussion, we came to know what is prefixes and what is suffixes. Now we will learn the differentiation between suffixes and prefixes. Prefix. Prefix is added before any word. Added before any word. To it change the meaning of the word. Suffix is added after any word. It changes the form of the word. Clear? Prefix is added before any word and it changes the meaning of the word. On the other hand, suffix is added after any word. It changes the form of the word or change the parts of speech of the word. Dear students, let's now we see the example in sentences. Dear students, now we will see the usage of suffix and prefixes in sentences. Look at the whiteboard. You have to work hard if you want to become a doctor. If you add B, now it is perfect. You have to work hard if you want to become a doctor. In second sentences, everybody likes a liar. Is it correct? No. Why not? Nobody likes a liar. So we can say everybody dislikes a liar. Now it is correct. In third sentences, he is the editor of a newspaper. If we add suffix or, it will be he is the editor of a newspaper. Clear? Edit, we add or at the end of the word edit and it became editor, which is the perfect use of a word in a sentences. In fourth sentence, Mr. Karim was an expert driver. Here it is verb and it is wrong usage in this sentence. If we add r or a suffix, it become driver. Mr. Karim was an expert driver. Now we came to know how suffix and prefixes are used in sentences. Dear learners, hope you have understood the lesson. Now you will try more and more to become efficient in English or to get the full marks on suffix or prefix in your answer scripts. Dear learners, I request everybody of you to share this class more and more so that the other students can visit this class and get some knowledge from here. Thank you everybody. This is all for this day. You are all requested to join in our next class when it will be held. Allah Hafiz.